Oh, sorry. Oh, dang it. Yeah, I just missed that one. Okay. Dang. That guy definitely had better days. Here you got a hand-tied black murdered out jig. Oh, dude, this is my second cast in this hole.
It's a good hole, huh?
Yeah.
Dude, in the mouth, bro. Look at that shit, bro.
Let's go. That was nice. Good fish.
Look at that. Oh,
no way. Dang.
Dude, he popped.
On the hand-tied, murdered out hair jig. Dang, it's okay. Nice rod. Is that a special twitching rod? Oh. Yep.
Good. Surprise, surprise, right?
Yeah.
I was kind of wondering if we had any come in that was a little better shape. Yeah.
You lost it. I lost myself. Dang, dude, in the middle. Yep, beach him. Don't even fuck around. Just get him over here.
Swim them on the beach there. It might be a little better shape.
That is a good shape, bro. Look at that.
That's nice.
Want a picture?
Sure, yeah. Oh. We let that fish go. I'm gonna try to catch another one. Okay, I'm 1 for 2. I'm gonna go for the ones that are fighting or jumping over here. Where are they? Dude,
Get it up here.
oh, dang.
Got him?
Yep.
Ow.
Oh, dude.
All
Oh my gosh, dude.
Oh, is it on the tail?
Oh my gosh, dude. No, I don't know. I think he's fair hooked. Wait, he's tangled up. Oh shit, dude, look at that.
That's a fucking awful.
Dude, can you show the camera? Look at that fish, guys. On the custom jig right there. Nice.
Nice, bro. Let's whack him. That's gonna cut good because it's a male.
Oh, okay.
That'll be nice. Nice easy.
I don't have another blacked out jig.
God damn it. Are you serious?
Oh no, I don't have another blacked out jig, but I do have like a black and blue one if you want.
Dude, I've got some black out.
Oh, I have that's like the exact ones I have. I don't have any like blackout.
There he is.
Yep.
There he is.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it is. It's another one.
God damn it. I'm putting a black-eyed jig on. Dude, make it be a female. Walk it back this way and pray that it's a female.
You know? Lord, please help this be a female.
I'm just gonna go get it. I'm gonna get it. Fuck, man, you're laughing. How do you win it every time we come here? It's a female.
Is it a female?
Yeah.
Ooh. Watch out, don't get hooked.
Right.
Nice, man.
Did you get all that on film?
Yeah, I did.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and put this in the stringer as well.
Okay. Alrighty, there is a female coho.
Look at that whack jig.
Yep, the blackout.
But you can tell there's no red in this one, it's just silver.
Yep, that's a nice one. Dude, the ones I was catching, the ones I was catching upstream were zombie cohos.
Dude.
Okay, see that, guys? That's how we're making it. That's how we're doing it today. No stringer. Once again, on the custom blackout jig. These are super easy to make, super cheap, and feels good when you're catching them on your own. Let's see if I can catch this one. That was a female right there that jumped. Oh, I got her! Dude, I had her!
Are you serious?
Dude! Oh, dude, that's money.
There's one. Got him.
Yep, I knew it. I called it, man.
Okay.
Let's see if he has a friend. He looked like he was fair hooked.
He looked like it.
He must have just rolled. Oh, there he goes. Oh yeah, he's fair hooked. Or is he a she? Whatever, up to you.
Well, you'll eat them. You'll eat them.
Yeah, we'll eat them. Want me to grab your rod?
Sure. Nice.
Dude, the murdered out jig. It's the money here.
It's the smallest one of the day. Man.
Hey, a fish is a fish, man. I think so. I've seen it. No! No! Yeah. Okay. This might be the end of our excursion today. Okay. I'm gonna pack up so we can head out. Okay. For those of you wondering, this is a Shimano Stratic 3000 size, and this rod is a Northwest 8.6 medium action rod. This rod is not for twitching. It's got too much action. You want a fast action rod for this, but still caught 3, so the gear is not important. Just get out here. I was thinking, what if I just like try running through there? Like,
if you want, yeah.
Oh no, that was a bad decision. It's okay. See that, folks? I'm soaked. Tomorrow I'm coming with waders.